After diving into downtown Mexico City, I visited one of the richest agricultural areas of the world. This is partly due to the volcanic soil that makes everything super lush and fertile. In Xochimilco, there's also man-made canals for irrigation and transportation. In the past, farmers would take these canals from the city all the way to the gardens and grow produce, but now people who work on the land live pretty close to Xochimilco for access. You take a raft-like boat down the canals to pass by various farms and pretty scenery. In the evening, these boats are definitely packed with visitors and locals alike for libations and mariachi music, if that's more your scene. It is encouraged not to use any diesel motors and leave no trace to protect the land. We did take a boat in that had an engine, and I wasn't aware of this law ahead of time. In Xochimilco, there's a farm that doubles as an off-grid restaurant called Arca. And as if it couldn't get any more special, I was treated to a cooking class led by an incredible zero-waste chef, Mariana Orozco, who gave each table a dish to make in real time. Our women-only team efficiently prepped pounds of beets to saute with olive oil, vinegar, honey, and salt and pepper. Simple and absolutely perfect. I was able to enjoy the exclusive event with Chef Mariana through the Marriott Bonvoy Moments program. It allows you to bid on points for incredible experiences all over the world. Another reason I'm a big advocate of points and miles, because you never know what kind of opportunities might come up. If you like this mini guide to Xochimilco, I would love to share more with you. Please stay in touch with Pure Wander, like and subscribe. I have over 20 years experience of traveling, and this is my passion project.